Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can reply and quote your thread post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The ability to limit who can quote your thread post is now available to everyone. You can allow quotes from everyone on threads, only the people you follow, or disable quotes posts entirely. In this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our threads. Now you can tap on your profile on the bottom right here. You can choose your post that you want to limit, you want to manage, you can reply and quote. For the example, I will choose this one. You can tap on the three dots here. There is an option you can reply and quote. You can tap on that. Here you can choose your followers, profile you follow, and mention only. If you want your followers, all your followers can reply and quote your post, you can just choose on this. But if you only want profiles you follow who can reply and quote, you can choose this one. Or you want only the people you mentioned only on this post can reply and quote, you can just choose on mentioned only. I will choose profiles you follow, so only they can reply and quote my quote in here. So simple, right? You can do the same thing to your other posts. So that is how to manage you can reply and quote your threads post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.